Early investing can offer numerous benefits, primarily due to the power of compounding and the time value of money. Here are the top 10 benefits of early investing explained by reasons. 1. Compound growth. The earlier you invest, the longer your money has to grow through compounding. Over time, your returns generate more returns, creating exponential growth in your portfolio. 2. Time to recover from losses. Early investors have a higher risk tolerance because they have more time to recover from market downturns and losses. Market fluctuations become less of a concern when investing for the long term. 3. Leveraging time. The longer your money is invested, the more you can leverage time to your advantage. Even small, regular contributions can accumulate significantly over decades. 4. Lower capital requirement. Starting early allows you to invest smaller amounts of money initially, as you can take advantage of the extended time horizon for growth. 5. Building wealth gradually. Early investments provide a disciplined way to build wealth over time, helping you achieve financial goals, such as buying a house, sending your kids to college, or retiring comfortably. 6. Retirement security. Early investing can help secure your retirement. By building a substantial portfolio, you reduce the risk of outliving your savings during retirement. 7. Tax benefits. Depending on your country's tax laws, some investment accounts offer tax advantages. Starting early allows you to maximize these benefits over time. 8. Diversification. Early investors have the opportunity to diversify their portfolios effectively, spreading risk across different asset classes and investments. 9. Financial education. Investing early forces you to learn about financial markets, investment strategies, and risk management, which can lead to better financial literacy. 10. Peace of mind. Knowing that you're financially prepared for the future can provide peace of mind and reduce stress about money matters, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life. In summary, the benefits of early investing stem from the advantages of time and compounding, which allow you to build wealth gradually, achieve financial goals, and secure your financial future while also taking advantage of tax benefits and gaining valuable financial knowledge along the way. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the videos related to finance, so please subscribe to our channel.